this video, I'll be trying out both Wix and SquareSpace, two of the most well-known, widely used website builders today. We'll compare both platforms, explore their features, and figure out which platform is the best for you. But before we get into it, if at any point you're interested in checking out Wix or SquareSpace out, please click the link in the description below to get the best price available. To start, both Wix and SquareSpace emerged in the early 2000s, establishing themselves as pioneers in the website building field, distinguished by their unique brand identities. Wix is known for its flexible drag-and-drop editor. Through its extensive app market, it offers a wide range of customizable templates and features, making it ideal for users who want to complete design freedom and functionality. On the other hand, SquareSpace emphasizes high-quality, stylish templates that are particularly well-suited for creative professionals and businesses. It provides built-in tools for blogging, e-commerce, and analytics, focusing on streamlined, integrated experience with a strong emphasis on design and aesthetics. At a glance, I would say that Wix is perfect for small businesses or beginners. On the other hand, SquareSpace is perfect for bigger brands or solopreneurs. Pricing: now that we have a general idea how both sites works, let's talk about the pricing. Wix has a free version where you can explore the basics of website creation and still have access to a bunch of site templates, unlimited pages, and free hosting. Their paid plans start at $17 monthly with an annual subscription, while Squarespace only offers a 14-day trial before offering you an upgrade. Their paid plans start at $16 monthly with an annual subscription. By the way, both Wix and Squarespace routinely run discounts depending on the season. So if you want to save up, here's your chance. Just click the link in the description below to get the best price available. Now that we covered how each app works and its cost, let's dive into the major strengths and weaknesses of each program. First, let's start with Wix. Now, one of their notable features is their highly intuitive drag-and-drop editor. This makes it easy for beginners to design and customize their website to their heart's content, even if they have zero knowledge in coding. In addition, you have the option to have AI do the work for you. Another great thing about Wix is its design flexibility. It provides a wide range of templates and a lot of design freedom, allowing for more detailed customization. On the flip side though, you have to be very careful about settling on a design, because the one you choose is the one you will have to stick with to the end. Changing your template can mean starting from scratch, so choose wisely. Lastly, Wix has an app market rich with various third-party integrations and widgets that can help make your website stand out. Overall, while Wix is user-friendly for all, especially for beginners, at times the site can be slower than others. Alright, that's enough about Wix. Let's talk about SquareSpace. Now, one thing I really like about SquareSpace is that it's known for its sleek, modern, and professional-looking templates that are perfect for creative professionals, portfolios, and businesses. Templates are designed to be responsive, meaning they look good on both desktop and mobile devices. Unlike Wix, you could easily swap templates without having to start anew. Although the templates are high quality, they can be less flexible compared to Wix's design freedom, which might limit advanced customizations. Lastly, Squarespace's strength lies in its integrated features. It offers a strong built-in features perfect for blogging, e-commerce, and analytics, reducing the need for third-party apps. It gives off a more professional vibe. With that being said, the platform can be more technical compared to Wix, which can be difficult for less tech-savvy users. Ultimately, both platforms are great in their own way, and it all boils down to your specific needs, preferences, and goals for your website. I will say though, if you're just starting out, Wix is perfect for you, especially if you're not very tech-savvy. Squarespace, on the other hand, is a tried and tested platform, perfect for more experienced users, but to each their own. I hope this review has been helpful and you've learned everything you need to know about both these website builders. If you think that either one is right for you, then don't forget to click the link in the description to get the best price available. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.